What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you 2 sites to earn Binance for free. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, and do join our Telegram group for more videos. Let's get straight into the video. The first site that I will use to earn free Binance is called Freebinar.top. Your #1 free Binance faucet and reward platform. Claim Binance reward, view ad, short links, do offer, and tags. When we scroll a little bit down, here are their features. These are some of our features available on our platform to earn free cryptocurrency. You can just go through some of the features that they offer on their platform. And currently, these are the number of happy users they have on their platform. And this is the amount of money that has been earned on the platform, and amount of money that has been withdrawn on the platform. And this is the number of days that they have been online. Why join us? Freebinar is the best platform for free cryptocurrency. Easy to earn money. There are many ways to earn money on our site, such as faucet, short links, PTC, tags and offers. Level system. You can level your account and climb the leaderboard to earn more money and unlock new features. Fast withdrawal. Here they pay you instantly or daily to your wallet or micro wallet address, and it's also user friendly. Here are some payment proof that has been issued out or paid to their customers. In order for us to start earning with Freebinar.top, what we have to do is to click on get started. Here we will come here, welcome back, sign in to continue to free Binance. So here we go to don't have an account, then we click here, get started. On the register page, you put in your email, your username, your password, then you confirm. But since I've already created an account with them, I'll just have to log in. Here I'll click login. So here on my dashboard, you can see currently I don't have anything on my dashboard, 0 token. So let me show you how to start earning free Binance with this site. So here, first of all, we go to the faucet, then we click on faucet. Here, please click on the anti-bot link in the following order. Let's just fill this. So the first one is, here we have 5, we have 3, we have 1. Here then we click collect your reward. Yeah, since the token has been added to your balance. So here after 5 minutes you can go back and claim it again. So let's go to the next. Let's claim on Mad Faucet. So here on Mad Faucet, we just go through the process. Please click on the anti-bot link in the following order. So here we have 1, we have 5, we have 8. Let's go and click collect your reward. Here 12 token has been added to your balance. So here with the Mad Faucet, you can claim every 30 seconds. Here you can also claim with short links. So with these short links, you just click this. When you click claim, you go through some stages. It's either sometimes you can go through 1 page, or you go through some few pages. Here you have to go through 2 pages, or some here you can also go 3 pages before you're able to claim the token. You just follow the process. It's as easy as that. You just follow the process and you claim your token. And let's go to the PTC. Another way you can also claim is the PTC ads. So here on the PTC ads, you have to go to these pages and wait for about few seconds. You can see it's counting down. After when it counts to 0, then you'll be credited. Here you have to verify to be able to claim it. Here you have 50 token has been added to your balance. So it's as easy as that. So here you just have to view pages for some few seconds and you claim. This is the amount of tokens that they offer. With this one they offer 30 tokens. You just view these pages for some few seconds, then you claim this amount of token. You can also claim with games, play some few games and claim. You can also claim with lottery, and here we also have tax that you can also claim through the tax, and you can also claim through their referral. So here let's go to the referral. So here invite your friends and earn 15% of their earning. Your referral link, this is your referral link. So you can refer your friends or your family, or you refer your followers, and when they join, you earn 15% of their earning for you referring them. So it's as easy as that. This is how you claim free Binance with Freebinar.top. So it's as simple as that. So the second site that we use to claim free Binance is called Arable.net. So here currently I'm on their page. Best faucet features. Are you looking for an easy to use faucet for free cryptocurrency? What are you waiting for? Grab your free coins today. So here faucet claims. Here with this site you can claim different type of cryptocurrencies. You can claim BTC, you can claim Ethereum, Doge, you can claim Litecoin, you can claim Bitcoin Cash, Dash. But in this video, since we are interested in claiming free Binance, so here you click on the Binance faucet. It will take you to the Binance page where you can claim the Binance coins. So what you have to do is to put in your email address. You have to create a wallet where you will receive your free Binance. So in order, you can either create a wallet with Faucet Pay. I will leave a video in the description below where to take you through on how to create a wallet. So with this, you will not be pasting the wallet address. You paste the email address that you are used to create the Faucet Pay. So here I've already pasted my address there. So I'll just come here and click claim free Faucet. I'll just confirm here I'm a human. So now what I have to do is to click on this hot docs. Just come down here. Then I'll click verify. This amount of BNB has been sent to your faucet. So for us to check, let's just check and see whether if it has really been sent. So let's go to my faucet account. So here let's look for, so you can see here it has been deposited on my BNB wallet on my Faucet Pay. So as easy as that, this is how you claim free BNB. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.